I'm Torben Farup. I'm the founder and the CEO of Real Safety in Denmark. Our expertise is to keep people safe wherever they walk, wherever they work, if they climb a ladder, if they walk up a stairway, a ramp, no matter if it's greasy, oily or water, our solution will keep people safe. Recently, in 2023, we got a gold award for the best safety technology solution on the market. We are not just looking at what we have already to offer, but we are looking into what is the challenge. Can we solve it in a different way than we already know, to optimize and to dive into the challenge of the client. So we innovate our products. We have a slogan here saying that we cover 360 degrees of our clients. So we take care into the challenge. We think about a solution. We innovate. We manufacture that particular special product. We can also install it. We can do after sales and service. And we are familiar with the industries across many industries. We are actually working across all type of industries, being maritime or onshore, like a maritime environment, a harbor, airports, industries, food, pharmaceutical. So our solution will actually cover many different segments on the market. We already are predominant in Europe, in the Middle East. We would like to see ourselves all over the world, in fact. And our vision is to keep people safe so they are able to get back home safely.